People seem to think they know why I'm here. Do you think I've come to give peace on Earth? I've not come to bring peace, but a sword. I mean division, see? Within households and beyond. When someone chooses to follow me, it may mean that in one house, 5 will be divided. 3 against 2, and 2 against 3.
Why?
We see it with Rema and her father. It is not my intention to divide families. But the cost of following me can mean that people will be hated by those closest to them because of their unbelief.
But isn't honoring father and mother one of the commandments?
Honoring your parents is one of the highest social and spiritual obligations, but it is not higher than following God. Whoever loves father and mother more than me is not worthy of me.
We choose you over family.